Hey guys, nice April 2nd or 3rd, I don't know, whatever day it is. Nice outside. I'm working on the air compressor. My old air compressor died. We repaired it a few months ago, but we shimmed up the crank, and the bearings are shot. The crank and the connecting rods are shot. The bearings are just, there's no bearings in this. I just can't get parts for it anymore. It's obsolete. A friend of mine looked for parts. He has access to stuff like this, and he checked with Gardner Denver, nothing. This was made in 1971. It needed a lot of work, so yeah, I couldn't get anything to fix it, so we ended up buying this Harbor Freight Tools, $164. I had to get new belts. I had to switch some plumbing fittings around. I reused this thing because of the fitting for the switch. So I don't know. I might need another pressure switch too. I'm not sure which way to turn that. I got to turn the pressure down, but ready to fire. I got this. This is from my water heater. It should hold the pressure. I don't see why it wouldn't. All right. So yeah, I bought a couple fittings. Got that. I had to get 2 new belts. And yeah, mess here, mess here. I got a new sink too. Well, not a new sink, a sink. I'm going to put the sink right here. Right here, I think I'm going to put it. So yeah, just let's see now. Let's see what's going to happen here. Passes are going to fail. I have no idea what's going to happen here. I have no idea. The tank is empty. Let's try and get this plugged in here. I got a plug up there, but I got to change the plugs. This was a different. The plug I have on the compressor from where I used to have it is one of those, and the plug in the wall is 30 amp dryer plug. So, all right, trying to do this one-handed. All righty. Oh. Hey, there we go. Working. Working. There we go. The thing was open. It's not too bad. Sorry for the shaky camera work. Hope we got a leak, don't we? Oh yeah, hold on. Well, it works. I gotta get the belt guard on there yet too. Alrighty. Hang on, I got a leak. I gotta check for leaks. Hang on, I'll put you guys down for a second. Okay, yep, we got a leak. I think I loosened one of these fittings up and forgot about it. Let's see. Alrighty. Well, anyway, let me get a wrench. What size is that? 1/2 inch, 9/16. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might have loosened it, or let's see. See if we can fix this. A slight leak. No, that's just leaking. Because it's leaking. I must have disturbed it. Shoot. Nope, that's tight. That's tight. That's tight. I must have disturbed it. Oh well. That's what we're up to here. Let's put it back in. Like it's working. I gotta put the belt guard on yet. I'll have to make up the brackets for that. That bolts to the compressor right there. The other end, I think it molded to the side. I'll make something. So this is the chineesium. That thing's leaking. Yep, that thing's leaking. Figures. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Stand back in case it blows up. Pounds, a little over 100 pounds. Smells like new chineesium. Good in there, 120. Yeah, let's see what else is going on here. We got a real mess over on this side of the shop. We gotta get working on this thing. Yeah. We gotta get that axle out of my way. I'm gonna put a desk over here. Computer, TV. Spend a lot more time out here if I didn't have to run in the house all the time to look up something. I have the phone, but I hate using the phone to look up stuff. Yeah. What we're up to. Yeah, I wanted to get something different, but Harbor Crate was the only thing in my budget. Hopefully this will be alright. It's running a little bit faster than it's supposed to by like 30 RPM, but that motor pulley there is like $75 shipped. It's a 1 1/8 shaft on that motor. So we'll see. So far so good. I gotta lower the pressure. Yeah, we're getting close to shut off here. We'll see if it starts again. That's what I wonder. Will it start at 120? That's the question. I'll put my tools away here. But yeah, this garage is so well insulated. I have the slab temperature set for, I have the thermostat set for 60. It's 67 degrees in here. It's probably 50 outside. The building is very well insulated. So yeah, it's still running. I hear I got a leak though. I'll have to fix that. Yeah. Seems to be working okay. Other than that leak I got, I can hear it. Waiting for it to shut off. Will it shut off? Yep, almost there. Almost there. Back here, I'm gonna stand back here. Awful noisy. Nice to put this outside. Keep the damn neighbors up though. Alright, we're gonna shut off. Past 150. Weird. Weird. So it didn't. I don't know, I gotta back that switch off or something. Alrighty. Well, there you go. It's gotta do some fine tuning. But there you go. Chineesium at its finest. We'll talk to you later, guys. Take care. I'll give you an update when I have this all tuned out. Fine-tuned. Later.